Hi ladies, welcome to STEM You Can 2020 online. My name's Cady Wang, and today I'll be showing you how to make a homemade lava lamp using supplies around your house. I'll also be explaining density and chemical reactions. So what you need for this lava lamp experiment is a long cup, a small container, vinegar, vegetable oil, baking soda, food coloring, and a spoon. So first, take your cup and your baking soda and add 2 or 3 drops of baking soda into the cup. I would recommend 2 to save baking soda. Okay, so now that you've added your baking soda, take the oil and fill your cup about half or 2/3. If your cup is super long, I would recommend doing half to save oil. Make sure not to mix the oil and the baking soda. Next, take your other small container. It can be a cup, another bowl, anything you want really, and fill it with some vinegar. You can fill it as much as you want. Next, add your food coloring. I'm gonna use blue. Add 3 drops of food coloring. Make sure when you're mixing it, your spoon is clean because you don't want to mix the baking soda with the vinegar just yet. So make sure that's fully mixed. So now that everything is ready, you can make your homemade lava lamp. Add the colored vinegar to the bottle. Do it gradually and not all at once. And you can see it start to bubble. The bubbles start moving up. Keep adding vinegar until you add all of it. It has these cool little bubbles. You can hear the sizzling, and if you smell it, which I don't recommend doing, it smells quite bad. For a glowing effect, you can turn off the lights and put a flashlight underneath. So what is happening here? Basically, oil and vinegar have different densities. Density is a word we use to describe how much space an object or substance takes up. To calculate it, you divide mass by volume. While the density of vinegar is 1.05 grams per centimeters cubed, the density of vegetable oil is 0.93 grams per centimeters cubed. The density of vegetable oil is less than the vinegar, so what happens is the oil stays to the top while the vinegar moves to the bottom. Once the vinegar moves to the bottom of the cup, it mixes with the baking soda in a chemical reaction. A chemical reaction occurs when bonds between atoms break and rearrange to form new substances. When the vinegar and baking soda mixed, there was a chemical reaction between sodium bicarbonate and acetic acid. Sodium bicarbonate is just another name for baking soda, while acetic acid is what is in vinegar. The vinegar in our kitchen is an aqueous solution of water, acetic acid, and other chemicals. An aqueous solution is just a solution with water. So yeah, when they react, the atoms in the reactants, which is in the first part of the chemical equation, rearrange and form the products, which are water, sodium acetate, a salt, but you shouldn't consume it because it's dangerous, and carbon dioxide. So the bubbles you saw shooting up were carbon dioxide, a colorless and odorless gas that is naturally in air. Because we mixed the vinegar with food coloring, that's why it looks so pretty. We humans actually breathe out carbon dioxide through respiration, and carbon dioxide is what plants take in through photosynthesis. In conclusion, because of the carbon dioxide formed in the chemical reaction, we've created a homemade lava lamp. Make sure not to drink this because not only does it smell super nasty, but it also kind of looks super nasty after the reaction is done. When washing it, I recommend putting soap in and just shaking it if you have a bottle that you can close. Oh, also, while doing the experiment, make sure not to put a bottle cap on because then the carbon dioxide will get trapped in the bottle. Overall, I hope you learned something from this experiment and this video. I hope you have fun performing this on your own, and I hope you enjoy the rest of STEM You Can 2020 online.